Okay, I have a lot of energy right now that needs to be let out. I've been like really, really hyped up all day. This energy needs to go somewhere, so I'm gonna build a robot. So I'm gonna just load a bunch of unsolicited advice in on one of my soundboards. We'll do this one, and try to make a little machine learning algorithm to figure out what the best advice is to give him by hitting this button. So we've got a button, and we've got the soundboard, which is here, and then we have some ultrasonic sensors that are somewhere. They're somewhere. Hold on. I was working on these for another project, so I can use these two, and this will be what senses the distance. All right, so we have a servo that will sense when he walks through the door. We will have a button that he pushes that will give him the unsolicited advice, and then we'll have two more smaller buttons that will say, "Did you like this advice?" And then if he says yes, then it'll give him similar advice. And if he says no, it'll give him a different kind of advice. Okay, I like this idea. I think it's a winner. I have a lot of energy, very hyped up, don't know what to do with it. I'm gonna just build until I get too tired, so let's do this. Also, he comes home in like 2 hours, I think, so we do not have a lot of time. We need to go. We need to get this project off the ground very quickly, so let's go. Okay, here are all our pieces. We've got the switch for the button. We've got the sensor for the distance. We have the two buttons to tell the machine that they liked or didn't like the advice, and we're gonna connect all this up to the soundboard once we can load it in. To the soundboard! Okay, so let's have like a generic piece of advice, and then two rewarding pieces of advice, like, wow, look how great you did, and then two, you'll get them next time pieces of advice. So I'm just gonna ad-lib some of this here. You are the human equivalent of a grilled cheese sandwich. Ready for anything, and would burn if you get pressed up against the stovetop. You are the human equivalent of a grilled cheese sandwich. Ready for anything, and... Alright, okay. Alright, cool. Piece of advice number 1 is done. Let's export that. Export the audio. Now we're going to need some more advice. If I had $1 for every version of you that was awesome, I would have $1 disregarding multiverse theory. That makes sense, right? Okay, here we go. Want more encouragement. We need more encouragement. As long as there is one piece of coal on the barbecue of justice, you can still cook a mighty steak of victory. Thank you, Crimson Chin. If you feel sad for any reason, just remember, feelings are dumb. Do science. Hacked. This video is brought to you by Gophers Golfing. Gophers Golfing, the only golf course that has gophers in all the holes. If they see their shadow, that's 2 extra strokes for you. Go to Gophers Golfing today. Is greater than 5. That indicates the 5 centimeter shift. Write the pin to be high. Press the button. 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 Okay, so here we have our motion sensor. Press the button. Press the button. Here we have the big button that says push first. And then over here, we have the two little buttons that say if the interview went poorly or if the interview went well, to press those two. Press the button. Press the button. Press the button. Press the button. Motion sensors. Press the button. Smash the button. If you feel sad for any reason, just remember, feelings are dumb. Do science. Woo! More buttons. As long as there is one piece of coal on the barbecue of justice, you you can still cook a mighty steak of victory. Now the only thing left to do is wait for him to get home. This is gonna be the most wholesome prank video ever. Okay, it's time. I saw him come in the driveway. Here we go. Now we wait. I'm the greatest roommate in existence. Y'all can't even tell me any different. Hello. Press the button. What? Press the button. Press the button. Okay. Press the button. If I had $1 for every version of you that was awesome, I would have $1 disregarding multiverse theory. What? Okay. Press the button. Press the button.
Oh, okay, wait, hang on. So, I pushed that first. Now, if the interview went poorly, push left, okay?
Life is like a giant submarine sandwich. You may not know what's in the sandwich when you bite into it, but as long as you keep eating, you'll eventually come to a better place.
Oh my god, get down here!
I'm not here!
Oh my god. I pushed the button!
That's supposed to be deactivated. You can push the other ones if you want.
Alright, sure, let me see here. As
long as there is one piece of coal on the barbecue of justice, you can still cook a mighty steak of victory.
Oh my god! Yes!
Adaptive compliments! Woo!
Oh, Crimson Chin. Well done. Well done.
Cool. Well, hope you enjoyed that because I didn't do the dishes.